Welcome to my channel. Car engine parts and their functions explained in detail. Point 1. Engine block. Start with the engine block. Big chunk of metal. That's literally the body of the engine. It holds the cylinders, pistons, all the stuff that makes power. Think of it like the skeleton. Point 2. Pistons. Next, pistons. Fuel and air blow up in there, pistons move, and that movement basically turns into power for your wheels. Point 3. Crankshaft. Now, pistons alone are just bouncing up and down, right? The crankshaft takes that motion and turns it into rotation. That's what eventually spins your tires. Super important piece. Point 4. Camshaft. Then you've got the camshaft. This one's like the timing coordinator. It opens and closes the valves at the exact right time so your engine breathes properly. Without it, chaos. Point 5. Valves. Speaking of valves, intake valves let the fuel and air in. Exhaust valves let the burnt gases out. They're basically doors. Open, close, repeat. Simple but crucial. Point 6. Cylinder head. Up top, you've got the cylinder head. That's like the lid on the pot. It seals everything, holds the valves, spark plugs, and sometimes even the camshaft. Keeps all the madness contained. Point 7. Spark plugs. Spark plugs, tiny but mighty. They spark, boom happens, piston moves. Without them, you've just got a block of metal doing nothing. Point 8. Fuel injectors. Older cars had carburetors. Most modern ones use fuel injectors. These little guys spray just the right amount of fuel into the cylinders. It's like a super precise squirt gun. Point 9. Oil system. Can't forget lubrication. You've got an oil pump pushing oil all through the engine so stuff doesn't grind itself to death. Bearings, pistons, crank, they all stay alive because of oil. Point 10. Cooling system. And last, cooling. Engines get crazy hot. Coolant flows through passages, radiator keeps it chill, fan kicks on when it's roasting. Without cooling, you're cooking an engine in minutes. Thank you for watching.